Hi guys, Dr. Nicole here. Today we're going to have another video in our Voyage to Vitality series, and we are going to talk about different types of alternatives to flossing. So, we are going to talk about soft picks. Woohoo! What is a soft pick? A soft pick is basically this beautiful thing that looks like a toothpick. So what is it? It's a plastic post with a silicone top that has little fingers on it, and it's able to pull plaque and basically schmutz out from in between your teeth. Very fancy technical word, schmutz. So why is this a great tool? It's a great tool because if you have big fingers, big hands, can't get in the back of your mouth, you have large spaces in between your teeth and floss just doesn't cut it, or you just blatantly hate to floss, this is a fantastic option. So where do you get these things? They sell them at CVS, they sell them at Walmart, they sell them at Stop and Shop, they sell them at all of the local grocery stores or health stores, okay? There are different knockoff brands that you can try. Try them all. Do what you gotta do. Figure out which ones you like to use. I personally use the ones that are called soft picks just because I'm used to getting them, but there are plenty of different ones out there, okay? So let's get to the video now. You'll get to see me use a soft pick in my own mouth. How exciting. And we'll kind of go about how to use them and go from there. Check out those beautiful green hands. The soft pick is used by inserting the siliconed end of the pick in between the gums and slowly rotating it to scrub in between the teeth. The pick should not be pressed into areas where it does not fit, and it should not cause pain. As you can see in my mouth, the pick does not fit in certain areas and it does fit in others. It should be used until the tip becomes worn or too much plaque, aka schmutz, gets caught on it and it needs to be replaced. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of watching me soft pick my own teeth. If anyone has any questions, any thoughts, and like to discuss further, please feel free to give our office a call. But until then, keep on brushing.